Okay, now what I'm going to show you is how to do an increase in brioche, and this is just going to increase by 1. What you're going to do, so you have the light color again, and you're going to knit here. You're going to brioche knit, so you're going to knit this stitch with its yarn over, and then you're not going to slip it off the needle. You're going to go back, grab this yarn again, so you're doing a yarn over, then you're going to go back in and you're going to knit again, just like that. So now you have 3 stitches instead of 1. So when you're coming back through with the dark color, and you come to the point where you did the increase with the light color, what you're going to do is you're going to slip this first one, slip yarn over, so you're going to yarn over here and you're going to slip this off like that, and then you're going to purl this next stitch, and then you're going to yarn over and slip, and then you're going to continue on with your pattern.